Hey guys, Jordy Builds back with another video. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have a RSF 650 wheel with a bad freewheel. You can hear it's getting pretty clunky. So I'm gonna go over the process on how to weld up your freewheel. First we're gonna take the sprocket off, get everything cleaned up and degreased, and then we will go over the welding process. So the first thing we're gonna do is take off this sprocket. You're gonna need a 10mm wrench and a 5mm Allen. So let's go ahead and take this off here. All right, and just like that, our sprocket is off. And now you can see the freewheel a little bit better here. So we are gonna weld this seam right here, but first we're gonna get all of this grease off. So normally I would clean everything up with brake clean, but I don't have brake clean at the moment. I guess I'm out. So we got a little bit of alcohol on a rag here and do just as well. You can see everything come right off there. So we just wanna have a good clean welding surface. And that is how you get a better weld. I'm a welder by trade, so I'm going to be having a lot more welding videos coming out now that I got a fabrication setup going. You can see the grease coming out of that freewheel when we move it. So that is going to give us a little bit of trouble, but we should be able to get a bead on there. Alrighty, so now I'm going to get a socket roughly the size of the bearing to sit over top of that so that we don't get any weld BBs in there. I'm going to spray some anti-spatter on the wheel so that none of the spatter will stick to the wheel. Nice, that's a perfect fit, look at that. So I got a socket right here to protect the bearing from getting any BBs or splatter on it. And then I have the sprocket just offset from where the holes are, or the threaded holes are for the bolts. That way we don't get any BBs in those holes as well. And now I have it all cleaned up with some alcohol. We're gonna get it ready to weld. But before we do that, I have some test pieces here. I'm gonna weld and get my settings on my welder set. So let's go ahead and do that now, and then we will get the freewheel welded. So what I might do is run 3 little stringers on the freewheel itself. So I'm gonna see how small I can run these stringers. Okay, that ran pretty well, so I think that's what we're gonna do for the freewheel. All right guys, let's get ready to weld this freewheel. So I'm gonna take some anti-spatter spray and spray it on the wheel and the sprocket. That way no BBs stick to this client's wheel. And you can weld over top of this stuff so it doesn't affect anything. All right. Get our ground on. Make sure I don't scratch the wheel. Let's get it welded. All right. I think we're gonna do 3 skip welds on this. So that was 1. There's 2. We'll do 4, since they're so small. All right, just like that. Let's take a close-up look. All right, so we'll get the ground off here, get our machine turned off. All right, so let's take a look. We'll take the sprocket off, take the socket off. Nice. That thing ain't moving. Just like that, guys. And that is how you weld your freewheel. All right, guys, like you saw, we got it all welded up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments, let me know down in the comment section. Going to be doing a lot more fabricating stuff as well as some swing arms here soon. So if you're excited for that, let me know. And I appreciate you guys watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.